Hello and welcome everyone to this week's COT review. I'm Thomas from COTbase.com, and today we're going to have a look at the 43rd Commitments of Traders report of this year. As usual, we're going to start off with the changes in commercials positions. There we go, and right away we can see that we've got cotton on top again, but this time with a very large change size, a 55% change in commercials positions. So that's if you look at the chart over here, it is definitely the largest change. What's interesting to see is we had commercials net long almost 20,000 contracts and then changing their positions down to almost 20,000 contracts short in only just 2 weeks time. So that's a very rapid and dynamic change in commercials positions. But if we open the 10-year chart, we can see that we had commercials up in net long territories. We've been talking about this for a few weeks now. And whenever we saw that, that coincided with prices in a low territory. So if we look at what happened to prices just right after commercials starting to decrease their positions and going back to net short territories, you can see that coincided with the prices going higher. The same thing happened over here. And before this huge rally, the same thing happened over here. And what we're witnessing now is exactly that. We're seeing commercials decreasing their positions, going to net short territories. And if we're going to be witnessing this to continue, then I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing prices higher. Of course, don't forget that the change size is very large and dramatic. So maybe for a few days, we're going to be seeing prices going even lower. But the general picture is bullish, and if you're considering a long-term trend, then it's definitely better going along. Dow Jones, we had a 29% change over there. It's not I'm pretty sure it's not going to be the largest change. There we go. It's a larger change than average, but we can witness even larger changes. Don't forget that a few weeks ago we had that extreme in the market, and I talked about a possible short-term move. It's exactly what happened. So the picture is definitely coinciding to that. Prices are going higher, and large speculators and commercials are moving away from their extreme territories. Japanese yen, we had a 27% change over there. That's a large one considering it to be a currency. You look at the chart over here, it's definitely a very large change size. Small speculators changed their positions dramatically, going from roughly 17,000 contracts down to almost 35 contracts short. So almost doubling their short positions. Really large over there. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart. There we go. And what I want to show you over here is that don't be surprised, because we can witness similar changes in the past quite often. And whenever that happened, we had that dramatic move from commercials and going to extreme territories. That coincided with a bottom in prices. So it's happened over here, again over here, and then the last time over here. And what we're seeing now is just the same thing. Going into extreme territories, and we also have that 27% buy signal. So change size and the extreme picture both indicating a bullish move. So definitely the picture is bullish. Let's move on to COT extreme and large speculators. Let's see whether we have platinum over there on top. But no, this week platinum changed, and we can't see that all-time signal anymore. So we're going to open the chart and see what happened. We've been witnessing... I'm sorry, I opened palladium, but I was talking about platinum. Let's open platinum. So here we go. We had that huge extreme that I can show you on the 10-year chart. That was a all-time extreme in the market, and we can see that prices started to decline, so really rapidly. So what we're witnessing now is we're moving away from the extreme, and prices are going even lower. Okay, let's have a look at the chart over here. Well, we can't really see a huge COT extreme, so I'm not going to bother going into details now in the dollar index. We're running out of time now, actually, so I think that's going to be all for this week. But of course, anybody who would like to see other Commitments of Traders reports on our charts, you can do so at our COT charts page. If you're interested in a more detailed analysis, then I recommend you to check out our subscription service here, where you can add other great functions to your table to analyze better the report, or just check out other COT report types like CIT, TIF, or disaggregated, or look at other data types. Maybe you're interested in the options, futures and options data. Thanks very much for being with me this week. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next week. So take care. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.